In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert M4A to MP3 using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and you don't need to install any extra plugins or online converters. If you have audio files from Apple Music, voice memos, or any other source saved as M4A, and you need them in MP3 format for compatibility, editing, or sharing, this tutorial is for you. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. VLC is one of the most popular media players in the world, and besides playing videos, it also has powerful conversion tools built right in. Once VLC is installed, go ahead and open VLC Media Player. After VLC opens, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the Media menu. From the drop-down, select Convert/Save. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac to open the same window faster. Now you should see the Open Media window. Make sure you're on the File tab. Click the Add button, then browse your computer and select the M4A file that you want to convert to MP3. Once you've selected your file, click Open, and you'll see it listed in the File Selection area. Next, click the Convert/Save button at the bottom of the window. This will open the Convert window, where you can choose your output format and destination. In the Convert window, find the Profile drop-down menu. Click on it and select Audio MP3. This tells VLC that you want the output file to be saved in MP3 format. If you want, you can also click the wrench icon next to the profile to customize the bit rate and audio quality, but for most users, the default MP3 settings work perfectly fine. Now, move down to the Destination section, click the Browse button, and choose the folder where you want to save your converted file. This step is very important. When naming the file, make sure the file name ends with .mp3. For example, you could name it mysong.mp3. If you don't add the .mp3 extension, VLC may save the file incorrectly. Once you've chosen the destination and confirmed the file name, click Save and then click the Start button. VLC will now begin converting your M4A file to MP3. You'll see a blue progress bar at the bottom of the VLC window showing the conversion progress. Depending on the file size, this may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. When the progress bar finishes, the conversion is complete. Go to the folder you selected earlier and you'll find your new MP3 file ready to use. You can now play it on almost any device, upload it, or edit it in audio software without compatibility issues. And that's it! You've successfully converted an M4A file to MP3 using VLC Media Player, completely for free. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.